Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? I know you are. March's Color Play subscription box. How you say it? La Dolce Vita. La Dolce Vita. Can't see? Can't see. All right, ladies and gents. First of all, we're going to go into the bonus item, which is Color Street lipstick. Spicy. No, I'm sorry. Hot Shot. Ooh. Now, I do have our lip oil on, which, oh my gosh, y'all, very, very, very good. Now, I do not have Hot Shot, so I am going to actually use this one. I have one for sale, but I would like one for myself. Oh, girl, look at that color. Hey, it matches my R2D2. You guys watched my video. I'm not flipping you off, I promise. Watched my video. I have a gouge. I'm talking gouge. From pulling stupid crabgrass, right? Like, what? So let's see if this goes on because I'm not sure with my stuff. So I'm going to do this right up close and personal. And I do have our mascara on. I've been playing with the eyeliner, which I'm trying to get used to. And I also have another, like, thing you guys can do. I know I look pretty oily, but it's because I just did something. So I'm going to explain that in the next video. But this isn't about that. So here's the item. And I don't know if you guys know, but our lipstick is like that. Like, check it out. You're never gonna. And it's also for, Korean made, which is all good ingredients, cruelty free, vegan free, just very clean products. So, all right, we're gonna go in with this color. Ready? And I don't have any, which I should have, lip liner, but it's okay. And I'm not sure. What do you think? Not sure if I like it. We'll see. Once I get used to it. I don't know, it looks pretty good far away. So we'll see. But this is Hot Shot. And I'm sorry, I don't know what it is. It is a satin lipstick. So that's nice. Because I don't care for the matte, because then you can't like reapply it like it's like, you know, like VIP where I put it on and it's like a, you know, chaps, like a lip balm, you know what I mean? Like I don't even have to look anymore. So there's that. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, holy smokes, 4, 5 full sets, y'all. So we are gonna dive right into the first one. And this one is called Capri Baby. Capri Baby. This is different. It is a cream. It's got some wavies to it. Looks kind of cool. Yeah. Oh, it's a bit different. What do you think? Yay, nay? Mensa for me on this one. All right, so there's that one. Oh, I love this. This better be a jelly. Grapefruit froze. Yeah, it is. Froze, whatever. It is a jelly. Stunning. Hope you guys can see that well. Thought I'd go this way instead of always, you know, showing my hands. Which I need to do a new mani, which I just did one, but I just didn't care for it, so I took it off. But that's cool. It's even got some glitter in it. There you go. But it is a see-through. If you guys know the jellies, which I've worn, like the best thing to do is put like a clear overlay underneath these. They look phenomenal. So that one is grapefruit frose, however you say that one. Next one is, oh yeah, buddy, citrus spritz. Now this is the box. Let's see if we can get, it does have like a shimmer to her. Let's see. I don't want to take it out. I don't want to get my hand behind it. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but stunning. Show you that. I can't show you it. For some reason, now it's coming through. Probably because I should have done it the other way. It's okay. There's a bit of a shimmer glitter to it. I think it's kind of cool. It's pretty different. So you have like this one, which is like leaves. Let me see. Yeah, it's like leaves. Oh yeah, it's a frost. It's got a nice frost. It's got a nice frost to it, you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Sugar snaps. But it is a nice frost to it. It's stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. So that one is citrus spritz. That was the third one. The fourth one, oh, I just love this. Now this is an overlay, so you can see underneath it. It's called Bikini Bella. So imagine, okay, so you have all these. Now say you wanted to put this girl underneath it. That pink or peach is gonna show through. Like where the glitter is, it's gonna show in there. It's gonna look freaking phenomenal, y'all. Like this set is really super cool. It's got, like if you will, Shangri-La type glitter with blue stripes. Kind of different. I don't know. What do you think? I'm interested. I think I'm gonna have to wear this one first. After St. Patty's. It's pretty neat. That is pretty cool. I mean, you could put it under, actually this one will look kind of cool too, to bring out that, I don't know if I'm digging this one too much. Anybody wants to trade, let me know. I love this one, and I love this one. So if you want to trade, let me know. All right, wait, oh, we got another one. I kind of like this lipstick. What do y'all think? Let me know. Honest opinions, okay? Sorry about the curly. Just didn't feel like straightening it today. Yes, I have major curls, like seriously major curls. It's bad. Oh my gorge. Guys. Check it. You see that? Shush it up. Cannot get better than this, y'all. This one is got to be my favorite. I love when they do that. I love it. I just wish they'd get away from the gold orangey thing and do like more of a, I don't know, silver or something. You know, to the window, to the light. It's almost like a heat wave, if you will. But this is more of like a bubblegum pink. I love it. I thought it was kind of more with like old lady lips right now. Excuse me, I choked on my own spit. Oh goodness. So yeah. So I really dig this set. Oh, I'm sorry. It's called Terrace for Two. It's stunning. Yeah, that's definitely going on my hands. You know what looks sweet too? Is this in front of it? Look how cute that is. So this would shine through under here. So you'd see a bunch of pink with the blue and those stripes. Not too bad. I mean, I'm not upset about it. All right, La Dolce Vita. In this month's box, retreat to the Italiano Retreat to the Italian seaside with color plays La Dolce Vita. This box features sun-kissed shimmer and sweet glitter solids, a citrusy frost, and a clear azure striped glitter. Say that 3 times. And a serene dual-ended French tips evoking Mediterranean coastal beauty. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design for your picture-perfect mani. And don't forget to put hashtag colorplay, okay? So that way we see all your manis. And post to my Facebook group, please. Even if you don't subscribe to me, I still would like to see your manis, okay? And if you're not subscribed and you like what you see in free gifts, which I think we're going to be getting more of our makeup into them, which I feel is a great idea if you want to promote our makeup, right? Right. So, with that being said, we get, okay, so if you do the math, let's see, oh, goodness, these 3 right here is your box. Okay, that's all you'd get. That's it. Now, $30 gets you this set, this set, this set, this set, this set, and this gorgeous lipstick, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, you cannot go wrong. You guys, $30 ship. You understand how much our lipsticks are? $22 plus tax. So right there is your, that's it, because you got to pay shipping, which is $4.99 plus tax. So you're looking at $31.80 out the door in Michigan with taxes, okay? So I'm wherever you're from. So if like you're in Florida, taxed a little bit more. But for that price, you get all 4 completely full sets. 2 sets of 8, which is 16 strips times 4, which is what? 84 strips. Plus your lipstick, which is $28. I can't even do the math. I mean, that's just so much. Are you excited or what, you guys? So, if you like what you see, subscribe below, and I will get you into my Facebook group, and we will have a great time. You like to play games? You like to win free prizes? You like to be in special things? I can't say too much, so you gotta get your booties in there. Heatha's Bada Bling Nails with an A, because I am married to an Italian, you guys. They don't pronounce R's, and coffee is coffee. Coffee. I'm gonna go park the car in the yard. Yeah. Heatha. All right, y'all. You have a great day. I hope you love this box. I did. And this lipstick, y'all, hot shot to die for. So, I hope you had a great time watching me. I know it's kind of funny. Next one is going to be my makeup. Even though I did it, I have some tricks I wanted to show you. So, stay tuned. Ta-ta for now. Have a great day, ladies and gents. Bye.